Bringing your stories to life through animation is now more accessible than ever, thanks to Creaky AI. This innovative free tool enables you to transform your narratives into engaging animated videos with ease. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the Creaky AI website. Open your browser and navigate to creaky.ai. Creaky AI offers user-friendly, AI-powered animation tools suitable for both beginners and professionals. Step 2. Sign up for a free account. Click on the Get Creaky AI free button to create your account. Provide your email address, set a password, and verify your email to gain access to the platform's features. Step 3. Choose or design your characters. Once logged in, you can select from a library of pre-designed 3D avatars or customize your own characters to fit your story. Creaky AI's intuitive interface makes character creation straightforward and fun. Step 4. Animate your story. Utilize Creaky AI's AI-powered video to animation motion capture feature to animate your characters. You can input text or video prompts to generate lifelike movements, bringing your story to life without the need for complex animation skills. Step 5. Add voiceovers and backgrounds. Enhance your animated story by adding voiceovers using the AI voiceover tool. Additionally, select suitable backgrounds and environments from the available templates to set the scene for your narrative. Step 6. Preview and export your video. Once satisfied, export the video in your preferred format. Your animated story is now ready to be shared with your audience. Conclusion. Creaky AI simplifies the process of creating animated story videos, making it accessible to everyone, whether you're an educator, content creator, or storytelling enthusiast. This tool empowers you to produce captivating animations effortlessly. Give it a try today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials on leveraging AI in your creative projects. Thanks for watching.